Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix corrupted USB drive or SD card in Windows laptops and PC. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Type select space, disk 1. Type clean. Type exit. Type format in Windows search bar, click create and format hard disk partitions. Right-click your pen drive or USB drive, click new simple volume. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.